Ten, ten, ten. Okay, my birthday surprise starts now. So, cover pa lang, panalo na. So, tingnan natin.
Oh, careful.
Are you guys ready? Oh, careful daw. So, baka mabasag to. Boop. Oh my God!
Yung pinagpilahan sa libro.
I can use this. Kaya pala sabi mo, magagamit ko daily. Kasi nga, nagwo-walk ako.
You need to adjust. Yeah.
Wow! Oh my God! Oh my God! Paano mo nalaman to? Belt bag! Plano ko to eh.
Yeah. Pang-walk
Guys, pinilahan to sa Lululemon. Oh my God, yayamanin.
Alright, so what's inside this paper bag? Nagwapa kaayo. Thank you to the Courses family. Toray from Courses. Wow. Bongga. Paper bag pa lang. Regalo na. Pero, kuan siya. Dili ni ako atanan guys. Naay sa mga bata ani. Toray from Courses. Wow. Praya, Teya. You have gifts here from Auntie Eden. To Teya from Courses. Wow. Yayamanin mo kaya ilang box. Ay. Hala, si Eden nakabalog yun ay. Wow. Sweatshirt. Magamit yun ni walking ni Inday dito. Bye-bye din. Naay. O, abrihin na inyong regalo. Gika ni Auntie Eden. Hawak kay.
Freya!
Abrihe. Thank you. Edensky. Wow, ka-cute sa sweatshirt. Oy, I love the color. Very nice color din. Thank you. Sweatshirt. Atong abrihan. Naapay usa guys. Naapay usa. Gaulan to gahapon. Ugoy! Giregalawhan man tag short. Oh, wow. Hala, kabalo na ganyan si Eden nga workout to guys ba. Thank you, Auntie Eden daw. Na ako'y shorts pang walking. Unya, makita na itong kigolan eh. Basig mauna ning panahon na makauyab tagbatan o no. Pero dili lang. Ato lang. Thank you, Auntie Eden. Oh, Fry, the camera is here. Thank you. No, backward. Okay, thank you, Auntie Eden.
Thank you.
Thank you to who? Okay, more gifts from Sis Josie. What's inside the gift bag? The gift bag. Oh, there's a card. Get the card. Okay, Mom, get the card.
Is this my card?
No, this is Mama's. Happy birthday, Zoraida. Wait. Let me read the card. Just put it down first. Birthday remind us how very sweet life can be. Yeah, agree. Dearest Zoraida, happy 45th birthday. May you all your wish come true. Stay happy and healthy. All the best. Love, Josie and family. Kanindot sa agi. Oy. Thank you, Sisi.
No.
Okay, what is this? Hala! Mauday rin bugat kayon. Salan man ni sila.
And now, another candle.
Bed and body wash.
Candle.
Another candle.
Yeah.
My lotion. My perfume. Kadaghang regalo, Sisi. Thank you. Body lotion. Nako.
Mom, want me to
Sana maka-score na tayo nito, no? Kay may mabango ng lotion. No. Give me that. Okay. I have a candle. Okay. Thank you, Sisi Josie. Talagang maraming pabango. Oh. Thank you. Pray, there's more cards there. Can you grab all the cards there, please? And more gifts. Okay. Thank you, Sisi Josie. No, that's all Mama's.
Is this my card?
Yeah. Get the card.
This my card?
No, this is Mama Soraya.
My card.
From where this card, man? From home. Betong buksan para makita na to. Give me all the gifts there, Fry.
Mom.
Yeah. Wow, kagwapa sa birthday card. Oy.
This then?
Let's open. Who
Then
gave that?
whose card is this?
That's Mama's. Dear Soraya, hope every minute of your day is a wonderful, special day. Okay, guys, so that's all for today's video. I just want to say thank you to those who joined the birthday dinner in spite of the weather. It was a little bit raining that afternoon, but still they showed up. Thank you, thank you, thank you for all the gifts and wishes. Happy New Year, everyone. Babush!